Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to download and install your Epson printer setup utility? That's great, as it gives access to a lot of advanced tools and software. So, in today's video, I'll walk you through the process of the setup, including downloading the printing test page. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for the Epson printer drivers download with the model number. In the search result, open the Epson support website. Once you're on the website page, scroll down to the operating system and check if that's correct. Now, go to the drivers and utility combos package installers and click on the download button next to it. In the opening pop-up window, click on Save File. Once the file is downloaded, open it. In the Epson installer pop-up, you'll receive a message. This file contains the installer to obtain everything. Here, click on OK. Wait for the driver package to install. Once the package is installed, in the new window, you'll be asked to choose language. In the first screen, read the license agreement and click on Accept. In the Software tab, select the items you want and click on Install. Now, the setup program will now connect to the server. Wait for the setup program to download the necessary drivers and software onto your computer. After all installations are done, you will come back to the Setup tab. Here, click on Next to start the printer setup. If you're asked to confirm the ink is charged, click on the checkbox and select Next. After that, plug a USB cable into your computer and Epson printer. Ensure your equipment is turned on. Now, wait for the printer to connect to the computer. Next, in the Print Test page window, click on Test Your Print or click on Next. At last, you'll come to Setup Summary and click on Finish.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.